My biggest thing is that kids don't really know what's out there unless they're exposed to it, or they have a mentor, or their parents force them into something, get them to try something new. I'd say a lot of the instructors are older, and a lot of the kids don't feel as comfortable going to those classes because they kind of see it as if, this is another parent or another adult that's telling them this is what you should do, this is how you should think, this is what you need. For me, being 25, being younger and understanding, what it's like to grow up and be out in this crazy world, I want to use that in my classes and expose kids to that. Work with teenagers and tell them, I know what it's all about. I'm on social media. I know Instagram. I know Facebook. I know how scary it can be at school and outside of school, and how parents might not always get it. That's the thing. I want to be a friend. I want to be a mentor. I want to be somebody that actually makes the students feel comfortable to learn. I want them to want to come to my classes rather than being forced to come to my classes, because there's something that I can relate to. I get it. That's something that I really try to bring out in all of my classes. I talk a lot to my students, and I always get that reassurance from these students that they're really learning from me, and it's because I'm finding ways to relate to them. That's one of the things that's really important to me. So I just wanted to add that.